kind of still, it's gooier when it's warm, so you don't want it to completely cool down before you put it in there.
Okay.
The main reason to put it, like you don't even have to use a plastic bag, but since there's these natural dyes in there, I know especially the people who have yellow in theirs, there's turmeric in it, and turmeric stains everything. So that's not a big deal for your pans necessarily, because it'll wash out, but your clothes and anything else, any cutting boards that you don't have are permanently slightly yellow.
Do you know where our pot is, America?
Just put it in something.
Do you know where our
But
pot
yeah,
is?
we'll be needing it when it's as cool as, like when it's just cool enough to touch, basically. If that makes sense. But don't burn yourselves. Any other questions? Ari, are you there?
Yeah. No.
Ari?
Ah!
Not there yet.
Sorry, no, I'm here.
You're there, okay. I can't tell. It's all dark. Okay, so maybe I will, there you are.
Don't know how long I've been waiting, worth every minute though. You took the time and changed it into something beautiful. And I close my eyes, only you that I see. You're in my head, in my heart, in my dreams. Take you, my love, take you a little bit higher. Know what you want, hold you a little bit tighter. I wanna pull you in close, want you to let it all go. Take you, my love, take you a little bit higher. I'll take every moment that I have with you, treat it with a heart wide open, like it's all I'm made to do. Take you, my love, take you a little bit higher. Know what you want, hold you a little bit tighter. I wanna pull you in close, want you to let it all go. Take you.
I think I can bring people back.
Oh.
Close my eyes, only you that I see. You're in my head, in my heart, in my dreams. And I close my eyes, only you
That message get
that I
broadcast?
see.
Do you see a message?
You're
Yeah.
in my head, in my heart, in my dreams. Take you, my love, take you a little bit higher. Know what you want, hold you a little bit tighter. Take you,
Okay, so I did something wrong.
you want, hold you a little bit tighter. I wanna pull you in close, want you to let it all go. Take you, my love, take you a little bit higher. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. Take you, my love, a little bit higher.
Okay, so I'm now on the floor of my bathroom and I realized that I just had a cheeseburger, and now that I think about it, that was probably really dumb of me to do so because I might be all phlegmy when I try to record for my Sonics and Optic class. That's due Thursday and it is currently Tuesday and I gotta edit all day tomorrow, which means I gotta film today or record today. Anyway, let's get started. Ta-da! We have the Zoom H6 that I'm gonna try to like open, but not cinematically because I'm lazy. Sorry. Ta-da! Those are all the equipment that I need to use. I wonder if she walks a little faster on the way home from school. I wonder if she walks a little faster on the way home from school. And I wonder if she wonders why her twin brother doesn't scan the sidewalk before stepping outside too. So now it is literally 12:59 a.m. and I'm still not done because I have to now record the Foley sounds that go with this project. So this should be fun.
Okay, I can start from that line.
Which one?
The one before you say this one. So I'll say this one first, and then you say that one after I say my line.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Mira, los hombres ya están mirándola. Tiene, no sé, no es su culpa, pero tiene que tener cuidado. Es mi hija, nuestra hija. Sí, es nuestra hija.
Nice. Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, this is so cool. I like the fluffy thing.
It's called a dead cat.
I'm gonna laugh more now.
Good thing we're done.
Yeah, I'm glad you told me that afterwards because I would have been staring at it and been kitty.
Wow. Okay, honestly, sweet tea, you go to bed.
Yeah.
But also finish your comic. Is it due tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm just gonna probably write the writing tomorrow. Wet ass pussy.
Good luck.
Microphone pussy.
Stop! How? Okay, so the number of things that I got from the media center today is absolutely ridiculous and was really hard to get it to my dorm today. And I walked for a long time carrying all this stuff, but luckily my roommate helped me carry it all the way back to our room. Okay, so hopefully it's not too echoey in here because I totally forgot my microphone like a freaking clown. Anyway, so tomorrow is my first research project, and so instead of getting up at like 6 a.m. to like do it and hang it all up, I am going to just do it tonight. Now here's my only problem, is there's already an installation piece in the installation room. Let me just show you guys. Like it's kind of big. Like I don't know if I'm allowed to move it, and partly I don't really want to. So that's gonna be really fun. Trying to like convince all of my classmates to fit in here and still social distance for like 2 minutes. So I don't know how it's gonna happen, but it's gonna have to. I don't understand how my camera's on this set already because I've literally not done anything, and it's charged all night. So that's annoying. I'm not 100% sure if I like put stuff in and then blow it up, or if I blow it up after. Probably have to put stuff in before, right? That makes sense. So I'm gonna start off with some computer keys. Hey, sorry.
Hi, I am sorry.
No, you're fine.
You must have rented this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I was supposed to be in that one.
Oh.
Do you specifically need this one?
Not necessarily, no.
I have the key to that one.
Okay. Do you want to just switch?
Yeah.
Just like switch back and forth and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds
I'm
good.
so sorry about that.
No worries. I was kind of confused because I was like, oh, there is already an installation.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come out and switch.
Woke up early just to see the sun. With every possibility of making all of me undone. Not so sure yet, but I think that I might. Nothing to your body as you sway on the backseat of my bike.
I'm not using my brain.
Got my shoes, it's plain to see. I tear about the thought of you and me. Wish I was, but I'm not pretending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Keep the rope short, I can hardly breathe. Stuck between a dream and reality. Check out the way this heart is bending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Got me nervous with your hand in mine. Every second inching closer. Explosions in my mind. Picture perfect. I want it all to last. Feels like it's been forever. Like we've done this in the past. Kick up my shoes, it's plain to see. I tear about the thought of you and me. Wish I was, but I'm not pretending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. Keep the rope short, I can hardly breathe. Stuck between a dream and reality. Check out the way this heart is bending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy
Time to head.
ending. I'm just a
Hey
sucker
Siri,
for a
play
happy
along.
ending. I'm just a sucker for a happy ending.